Welcome to another video. If you want to see how to make this unique happy birthday card, keep watching. Here are all of the supplies that I used to make this card. All of the specific items that I used will be linked in the description box below. A really easy way to customize this card and the design would be to simply change the color pens that you're using. The first step of this card is to draw out the design in pencil. I ended up kind of making two ruler marks just to kind of frame the lettering, so I had that fairly straight, and then I simply freehanded in the rest. This step will probably take you the most time for this card. However, you're welcome to use my free template, which I have linked in the description box below, which would make this step much faster. Once you have everything drawn out in pencil, take whatever pen you're using for the word happy. Here I'm using kind of a blue teal color, and these are my favorite Faber-Castell pens that I love. Again, the specific color and pens that I'm using will be linked in the description box below. And simply outline the words, and also outline kind of the bits of the word birthday that will be overlapping. Once you've completed outlining everything, go back in with the same color pen and fill in the letters. I ended up going over everything twice just to make it a really saturated color, but this will probably vary depending on the color that you're using and also the pens that you're using. The final step of this card is to color in the word birthday. Here I'm using a silver pen. This is the Michael Recollections pen series. And simply follow the pencil lines that you'd previously drawn and color in that word. And once the word birthday is filled in, this simple happy birthday card is complete. This is a really quick happy birthday card to make, but is quite unique and surely would be a great way to impress everyone with your DIY card making skills. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and try making this card yourself.